Thank you again, Team Governor of Barangay Ginebra, Mr. Al Francis Chua. Mga kabarangay, alam ko may inaantay pa kayo at oras na para malaman kung sino ang ating Finals MVP. And to help us award, we'd like to call on our PBA Commissioner, Mr. Willie Marshall, to be joined by our PBA Press Corps represented by Mr. Jonas Terado from Philippine Daily Inquirer, Mr. Ruben Terado of Spin.ph, Mr. Christian Jacinto of Spin.ph, Mr. Reynald Magallaon of Manila Bulletin, and Mr. Justin Bacnis of Tiebreaker Times.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Congratulations, Barangay Ginebra, finally champions of the PBA Commissioner's Cup. On behalf of the great Ramon Fernandez and members of the PBA Press Corps, we are delighted to once again present the PBA Finals Most Valuable Player. Averaging 10.0 points, 6.9 rebounds, 5.4 assists, and 1.3 steals. At magandang pinakita ngayong Game 7, the PBA Press Corps Finals MVP goes to Scotty Thompson!
Another one for Scotty Thompson, your PBA 50th Season Commissioner's Cup Finals MVP. And now we turn over the mic sa ating Finals MVP. Give it up for Scotty Thompson.